car, so the legend goes. And to all her passengers were heads down to their toes. Charlie was a woman that no one had a clue. She voted in SoCal, was the first, yes it's true. I was a stagecoach driver all throughout the West. Doing what I really love, Charlie Parker's was the best.
So as you know, there were many other very important people throughout SoCal history who made this town what it is, but we hope that we'll let you make your decision on your own. Thank you so much.